my dream is to have my own shop. So that's my dream. And getting projects along the way, whether they big or small, is the only way that I could achieve that dream. Risk that comes with it, but at the same time, I am only 39. I have a good 20 years of the industry under my belt, on top of the 20 years that I can give back. So if I have one of the only CNC operated shops in San Francisco the next 10 years, that will be definitely a plus for me, because construction will never end here. I've never been not busy. I've been constantly working for the last 8 years. My dream shop. So I found a place. It has 3,000 square feet, 30-foot ceiling, was used as a grow house.
Of course.
Of course. I am in the process of trying to get a loan. I've put money down on a machine that's waiting for me in Italy. Yeah, so the CNC saw, which I went to Breton in Italy to purchase. A water system, an air system, a router, and a small sink machine, and that would be my dream shop. Not having the ability to bring the slabs to my own shop, to cut them on my own saw, to control the time that it takes to do everything. It's really the bottleneck in my business right now. Tile setting business. It can be lucrative as long as you do right. You don't take on too much. Your quality is key. You make sure everybody's happy at the end. Be patient. Patience is a virtue.